Okuma 97.1 so any ene yatu ye husi mountain so ba pro na ya pro a ye boy no e be premu enso no ewo eye emea ahrowa ewo eye Okuapemman mu ni titiriw ane Okuapemman North constituency. Yera Samuel Awuku.Esq oye National Lottery Authority Director ne biu osan enso no ejinamu se MPP parliamentary candidate ewo Okuapemman North ane ne yene ne bo entwa Yedi kan yebipue mu enso na Larteh Okuapem onum se ubo Okuapemman mu ni titiw ni Okuapemman North a Larteh ayekuro a eso na emu nipa enso edoso yie pa na won how baako aye sebe ajanan ehonsem aye toilet facility nti enei Larteh man atumi to nsa ede frɛ aye By Hon Sammy Awuku so mbra na afin so no omehwe won toilet facility honsem na afin so no ombra wo mwa nti enei By Hon Sammy Awuku, Director of the National Lottery Authority, etutu na namom ane the Municipal Chief Executive, Yera Berima Esiedi Labima Shak, sword cutting ekoso air toilet facility, aye abien enso na Larteh. Nidi kan enso no awa Larteh, aye ayinase, ana na etoso abien no enso no awa Larteh kube ase. Aye 16-seater capacity. There say 16 no baako ewo ayinase ana baako so kube ase sword cutting ekoso na nanama info enso eba ede won semba tugwa echiri mu se won ne age se ne By Hon Sammy Awuku enso no etima ba omra na ono nso no etima be cut sword for sa toilet facility no
ne efu ani ne yire umo ji anuonyam kponkone tuba sokoya ne bo mpotem obiara otem potem ha no me jedi se enne ne yere be koso yi o hwa abon se aya nunyam hye sebe ne aye hu ha ene be po e wo ha eno nkwa kire o hawa ye wom aya wurade ene mpanyimfo na atumi ahwe enso yesa anka yare bia e be fa ha anka nipa dodo be ko nanso awurade adom ene mpanyimfo adom nti ye wonkom mma enne Okuapemman Sammy Awuku anani daso so ore be gina ho de amayen wo sa mpeso iso yi o se ontwen ansa na mo ore fibiribi asese na ebe ya obi a obehu se ne mrante biremu ontwen ko yiso obe ya kwakora anu nti mesre se abusuya wo ha nyina abusuya ewo ha nyina a wode kakra be komu no eye woni yen wasem bia momra me abusuya pan wo osi ahene wo na ne eka ho no mekwa aban mekọ Okuapemman Sammy Awuku no na biribi wo ha ye no akoka mesre se mempese ofie adwuma ya se a manso twe bia beba ho menye ni se ne awore be obefa obi asase nyina de aye na mo ebia obia ho kakra bekom se ne ebe ya ye nyina nyarwa ne ade a ebetumi abale ye bi ye ho afim medamasi pi se abusuya horo no matumi atie na bere no sonso na se se wode ugokurubeti kwa na wahwe baby pa wode tima ebeko ebize onya kwakora te se mi o abrante enti se wuso no musa abiri a obetumi de wakọ wanim enti moma yempia no na onko nanim
ase bibia awia so dwe nso a ye de sebo ene hinso to ayi udin aye aka se we wrade na wama yen edum pempen so ete se udin mu na ye de yenji di bompa ya adom ne nti amen
oh enu de me ba ye yinko oh wasunsunto azase ya ntajuma ehuna ha ntajuma epiache epienye ekokware ebesonte no nenu oh mbie ntajuma o elo nyine na ebeso nenu ne srakete ne srakamo ji lete ayeyi suna ne butema ene huo ene se ene bi enyina Sammy Awuku ina mo majasefo amuyebe amuna ma amuyeme amuya enyina yi eteni medemgbe bete boya kuraji wania ebe so je foko ne pro du pen na everything ne de bi so fo kurete nyente ama e to se o boyo ne birumo ama yebe amune mba amudamu nte amudamu eteni sekebite gbe na mbite yamu yewu e ka osaberuma ewurewu eni wura eni e basase anso asase mo se teni e ba eni be kire ye eni be kire o so ke be ire masase abedi gbe na twa wura mkutokuti abedi gbe na twa na foko e ka nfremo e to so kwa mba abede menele wo e be so nenu e amose be bosumia also come to ping as a state ne film abesese ne wucho sokoso ne mo ebosumia ne wura sumjete ne gbede wuta ne bite na no
Monica sa Larteh Sammy Awuku ese bo say a 6 months project bosumia sia another be yesa project no na afin so no eye Larteh man enso no etimi enya baabi etimi eja won nan sabe yefiwa no yasanso ebepue mu ewo ekropone Okuapem ano ana yede municipal head ewo Okuapem North yakọ ekopue mu eye Okuapemman Senior High School ni nyina na se birbi atwam bosomi kakra atwam Larteh Sammy Awuku ko Okuapemman school mu ekọhye won se ene eba no eye agokansi sports a onimso Okuapemman de muntintiman na titiriu ene basketball court ene volleyball court a ewo school mu bosumi atwam no na sabe oho enye basketball court and volleyball court no ensem fata Larteh Sammy Awuku je adeto no se obesiesie no na afins why no ultra modern basketball and also volleyball court ade amon ene yakwa no kwari odiosi ayoyo a ultra modern basketball and also volleyball court no Larteh Sammy Awuku atumi aye enti wuhwa uhumfoni ane video etwagu ya e kire osampa eyi eye abefo ana afis Larteh Sammy Awuku nensa ano basketball court no ewo ho na basketball court no hwa wasan so the volleyball court asen ahyem enti no your basketball and also volleyball na ezakwa 2 in 1 ansa na yesan a separate volleyball court enso no ewo Okuapemman school mu na na mayinfo ebepue mu ewo ha na ne odikan board chairman at Okuapemman Senior High School Asaberima nana ansasa sreku otoso abiesa ono ana yema mfehene esanso ye chidomhene ewa Okuapem traditional area nana ansasa sreku bai sanso na nana antakwa ono so bai nana obosoma sehene enso tumi bepue wo dwumade na ase ene nananam anyimfo bebre ewa Okuapem mu ebio headmaster edema Okuapemman Senior High ono so bai ni assistant headmistress domestic and after assistant headmistress academics ebai esuku fu a ewo Okuapemman Senior High School and a teacher fu nyina enso etimi ba ebehwe the commissioning of the ultramodern sports complex a Larteh Sammy Awuku enso etimi esi no ehom dwumadi no ekoso eyefe empanyifo ahoro ana enso etimi twa behia ya wohwe ma dwumadi no enso ekoso
put it on record that anytime I meet my peers without blowing my own trumpet, I stand quite tall among my peers because of the tutelage I received from Nana Manfihine. And I will, as a board chairman.
Inti enei ensama sukufo ene Okuapemman Senior High School aka ne se na sekese enkonfama Larteh Sammy Awuku so anu so tumi boy na enei no basketball court ana afin so no volleyball court no enu so atuma baso commissioning no course wie no Larteh Sammy Awuku so den sama horo enso etumi di jaw kire se ampa odwunu Okuapemman ho titiriu ene Okuapem North ade srede ana odebeto Okuapem North fo anim se ene wakwakoye parliamentary candidate ya ma MPP no se bere no so no wokoto aba won kai no na afin so won to aba no emfama no na afin so niam edane no so no obeso ye Okuapemman no ono so atuma
living out of basketball and likewise volleyball, be it international competition and anything that comes to be associated with it. My biggest joy today is that the good Lord has blessed whatever commissioning we are having today with the showers of blessing. And Nana, we are doing this to also honor you. Among the many old students who called on me to do something to support the school, I said, okay, we'll do it. Until the godfather himself said, Sammy, I want this thing done. I said, Nana, yes, sir. If you want to live long, you don't challenge your chiefs. So, Nana, today we are here to also once again honor you for this beautiful sports complex. This is the first phase, headmaster. To keep expanding the sports facilities till it becomes a sports complex properly so called. And now with your kind blessings, your good self, and your other revered majesties, I was also popularly acclaimed by the NPP to be its parliamentary candidate for 2024. And a very key to me will be that of supporting education on the ridge. Education, health, youth and sports development. And within the next 4 years, I want to partner the right sports to also make sure that what we have here, we have it in all the 8 government senior high schools in the area. So yeah, we have a partnership. And it will be my biggest joy that the first of its kind, which meets international standards, all the schools on the ridge, from Binkum to the rest, will also have the opportunity to enjoy these facilities. And it's for a good reason. Another good reason is that if we only leave it for it to be in just Okuapemman, there'll be too much pressure on it. And the facilities may not live that long. But when at least gradually prosperity trickles down, these schools as well will have the opportunity of also training the young ones in the sports, in the area of sports. So I don't take this for granted. Some of us started with the interest of playing basketball, but never had the facilities to try it. So for those who have the opportunity, we want to also wish them well. Aside that, we're also looking forward to also partnering with Nananom with the best strategy on how to improve upon the educational sector up here. We have the schools. If you speak to the Minister for Education and the Ministry for Education, almost all the schools, as far as the placement for this year is concerned, all the schools within the municipality are full. All. And it's one of the most sought after schools also in the country. Okuapemman has a history. In the past, they used to even direct the nation on the course of agriculture. It's part of its training. Now maybe it's time for us to rediscover what we used to do best. And today, I'm an honorary member of the school. I don't want to mention my school, but now I'm here. And I think that for what we have here, it should be a symbol for us to replicate it across. So I'm happy to be here with you, and I'm excited that I have the support of Nananom and the rest of the family here. The Honorable Municipal Chief Executive, the headmaster made mention of the road. It was a nice way of telling government that fix the road. So we have heard you, headmaster. Yes, sir. And we believe that because of the partnership that we have, the little we can do to make sure. In fact, I was even discussing it with the MC on our way here when we entered the school, that we don't want it to be Instagram, which is made to believe, but we have a beautiful entry point. But when you enter, Akoye Bibia. So we'll support you. We'll make sure that we give the school the best that it needs, and for it to be, it's already the best, but I want you to remain the best. Getting there is one thing, and maintaining the standard is another thing. For me, I believe that form is temporal, but class is permanent. And once you are on part of the top class, please let's maintain you there. So now I want to say thank you, and to the students and the head teacher, the assistants, and the rest of the teaching and non-teaching staff. We are in your debt. I have a mother who taught for 40 years before she retired. So the work of a teacher is not easy. Training somebody who might be almost brain dead to become somebody worthy of a citizen is not easy. From training somebody who might not know his left from the right to become an icon for the society, it's not easy. So headmaster, you and your teaching staff, and the non-teaching staff, we want to also say thank you. I believe this facility will be my modest contribution for what is yet to come in terms of our relationship. On my way here earlier, we did cut some sort for multiple projects in Larteh for their toilet facilities in some of the deprived communities. It's our hope that almost every town gets something competitive for them to be able to rely on. Nana Ansah and I have been discussing a TVET program for Manfi. We believe that if every town gets to benefit from something one way or the other, it won't be that everybody is begging to come to Okuapemman, but every town will have something that they can hold on to. So continue to lobby for projects. God willing, if I become your MP, an MP cannot and will not construct roads, but should be able to lobby for the projects to come. And I can assure you, I'm going to lobby for projects to come, so that at every point in time, we can improve upon the welfare, the livelihood, and the development of our people. So thank you, Mr. Headmaster. And I know this was very dear to your heart. You worked hard for it. And the very first day when we came and we started with the deposit for the main man, the contractor on site, and he kept expanding. We all knew how the place was before we came. Today, I think that it's become something extraordinary. What is missing will be that in the night, I don't think this place they can play. So I'll make available 10 street lights as well. So you can brighten the court for people to be able to play even in the night. So thank you so much, and we appreciate you. Nana, this is for you. We did this in your honor. It's my hope and prayer that anytime people play on it, it's a remembrance of Your Majesty, Osaberima Nana Ansah Sasraku III. Thank you.
Nana Ansah Sasraku III, Manfeyene, sounds Chidom Hene, on also in some kakra, and so etumi de jawe. Shanu so Nana, a board chairman at Okuapemman Senior High School. Sabi, on your board chairman keke, or sounds suku, Okuapemman Senior High School. Nana some of the two janom, na aye de. Eto abutayem and afinson esim kurang.
The NLA and aspiring parliamentary candidate for the MPP. Nana Dosu, Hine, Abutechi, Abusmase, Eprede, Edumasan, Dodoa, my brothers who've joined me here, Honorable MC, Headmaster, teaching, non-teaching staff, students, the team from KNUST, National Association of Lady Pharmacists, ladies and gentlemen, my elders. It's really humbling and of course gratifying to be honored this way, especially when I'm alive. Because most times these things happen when that individual has passed on to glory. But then to be alive and such beautiful complex, and especially for sports, being commissioned and named after me, it's something else. And Honorable Sammy Awuku, whom I always call Supremo, I'm most grateful. Of course, sports, it's something else, especially for the youth, and to be associated with this in any way is the height of whatever honor I would love to be given. Okuapemman happens to be my alma mater, from Form 1 to Upper 6, Dino Hall Prefect. And as the headmaster said, also became the board chairman. And I believe one of the longest serving board chairmen. When my 6th year was due, They kept postponing the anniversary, let's finish. Then after the anniversary, they said, oh, a headmaster is retiring, so wait for the new one. The new one comes, so wait and let's have him settle. Before I realized it was about 8, 9, almost 10 years as the board chairman. And like you said, it was my time as the board chairman that the Okuapemman Declaration was made, which is seeing a change in secondary school education in the country. Of course, as Supremo said, this is the first phase, and whatever we want to do, we need to do to expand this and also get a lawn tennis court and others to be added to it. I'm sure with his help and others will be able to do that within the shortest possible time. But Supremo, I like what you said, that a facility like this will not be for only Okuapemman, and that will be extended to other schools in the municipality. Because you know what, my thing has been, Okuapemman, for instance, is, yes, where I attended school, but most of the students here are what one would say diasporans. Even if they are Okuapem people, there are those who are living in the cities. Their parents come here once a while and they don't attend school here. But where the schools where our indigents, those who attend our basic schools, live in the communities, grow up here, attend school, are not so well endowed. And whatever we need to do to also extend such facilities to such schools should be looked at again. Like they say in Chi, usum brodia no wasum kwebi. So that previously Sinai and Okuapemman used to have serious challenges. And I was telling the headmaster then that it was like Kanda and Nima. You know, there's everything right at Kanda, and then there's everything that needed to be lacking in Nima. So when Nima boys see Kanda boys enjoying, then just a natural occurrence, they will want to take them on and what have you. So as we are developing here, Honorable, let's also turn our eyes looking at the other less endowed schools, Sinai, Larteh PSTS, Mampong PSTS, Dukro Mangwase, what have you, so that because the children who grow up in the communities, they are the ones when they do well in future come back and develop the towns. So as we are developing our endowed schools, let's also turn our eyes so that the envy will be, so to say, minimized. Honorable, Mija, Mebusia, Minyano, Menamfu, for this honor. When you look at the abutting constituencies and the levels of development there, it's heartwarming to see you coming into the race, and we all pray that when 2024 December comes, the mantle, the good people of Okuapem North will see to give you the mantle, so that you would come and also lift this area for all of us. You and I, we know what the things that we talk about, and we pray that you come and also become our Damboche because Safari Valley no money assistance no there. na ufi how say na I have adena ye de ya to say me da wase papa for this honor me Jamie this is not the beginning, and whatever support we'll need to give, we'll continue to also have to have Okuapemman School raised to the standard. And of course, this is the foundation laid by an individual, Barrister Opoku Achampo, and he's trained so many hundreds, thousands of very prominent individuals, citizens of this country, meaning that everyone committed to do something can do, and something good will come out of it, as you are doing now.
If you are paying contract, what is saying in sa, or also then come out and so to me the two ja say, any said ne, you may dear once what a man no, a payfunya jidi wonimu. What is saying in Sano, no sono etimaye, no I ni.
The Director General of the National Lottery Authority and the FPP parliamentary candidate for Okuapemman North constituency. Osabarima Ansa Sasaku III, Mount Hene and Chidokene of the Okuapemman traditional area. Traditional leaders present, members of the school fraternity, the media present, good afternoon. So, like Headmaster said a couple of months ago when I visited Honorable in his office, a call came through from Sefakai, Kwame Sefakai, and then he said, oh, yeah, I was even here. So this project is going to take off. We came, and of course, under the chairmanship of Osabarima, we launched it. And today we're here to witness the commissioning.
Enti Okuapemman Radio yanso ne yebeka ne se ampa Okuapemman ehiarepa yewade oye nti abre ne ado nyina yenhwe na afenso no ekropon constituency na Okuapemman enso no entumpo emfa nkonanim yebesere yanso yende ba ko yebeka ne se project yetima akoso no maintenance enso yade ehunhia nti yeye ni nyina no ne yehwe se abre ne ado yebetima hweso ye se ne enkoche no enkosei. Because you know, Ghana, young problem your maintenance. It's a no service school, paying for say no one chair, Nani Amasano won't me and Bombam. It's Okuapemman 97.1. You be pre more Larteh Mengo, and I feel to have memoir. I am Mania Bono, and also any meeting at Kelvin and Ponsa Eddie. Facebook, Okuapemman 97.1. YouTube, Okuapemman Radio 97.1. Okwa, Infuni, any videos are running and so obey to me and Yabiashe. Okuapemman Radio, yetie, yeshe, na afensi yake bi Okuapemman. Meramase.